Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Where do I think AMC Entertainment stock is going to go in the next trading session? Do I think AMC Entertainment still has a potential chance at a massive short squeeze? Now, let's dive in a little bit deeper. We have definitely gotten some news over the last couple of days, basically about everything like that. So if you guys don't know, as you guys can see here, AMC Entertainment down 3.67%. But if we actually dive in a little bit deeper, it did have a little bit of rally early in the morning, around 14%, going all the way to $8.10. And now it's a whole different ballgame now, guys. So we have to take a look at it from the perspective of like, okay, there is another potential chance for these stocks to start going crazy once again. So if you guys don't know really about the story that happened, AMC Entertainment and a lot of these other stocks got targeted for basically having too much short flow percentages. Basically what that means is if you drive the stock price high enough, essentially what ends up happening is these people who are holding short positions actually have to go cover their short positions, meaning that they're borrowing shares, hopefully to pay them back at a basically a cheaper price, and then you get to collect the difference as a premium or cash in your pocket. Now, these stocks had a massive rally, and then they were basically unstoppable at some point until a lot of brokerages actually restricted people from actually buying the stocks in themselves, which is still debatable. It's still up to debate whether these brokerages actually did anything wrong. For me, I think they did. I don't think they're allowed to do that. You should not be able to restrict someone's trading just because the stock is very volatile. That's what makes the stock market fun. That's what makes the stock market, like, that's what makes you want to invest, is the volatility, the price going up and down. It's very exciting, and it's honestly what gives you that rush. So going back, so all these brokerages actually limited restrictions on these stocks. You could not buy them. You could only sell them, which did leave a massive sell-off in stocks like Nokia, or GameStop, and AMC Entertainment as well, and American Airlines, and all of these other stocks that were basically holding a lot of short flow percentages. I'm pretty sure these brokerages limited about 12 stocks. I don't know the names of all of them, but a lot of these were on the target. Now, going back to AMC Entertainment, diving a little bit deeper, the restrictions are now unlimited. So you can now buy and sell as much shares as you want. You're not restricted anymore, which did actually lead to these stocks doing a little bit decent in the early trading sessions in the last trading session on Friday morning. Now, diving in, is AMC Entertainment going to go up from here? Now, let's dive in on why AMC Entertainment is getting a lot of attention. Aside from it holding a lot of short flow percentages, a lot of people are also bullish on it just because the fact that, the CEO basically rolled out bankruptcy, meaning that the company is no longer going to go bankrupt, which is a very good sign and did cause a massive rally in the stock in itself. Like I said, AMC Entertainment has not been doing so well just due to the fact of the overall pandemic. People are not allowed to go to the movies. You can't really go out. So it's really hurt the business. It's crushed the business model altogether, which led people to actually want short positions in it altogether. But if we dive in a little bit deeper, them ruling out bankruptcy is a very good sign, and it did cause the stock to rally, meaning that AMC Entertainment, for now, is not declaring bankruptcy. So there's also rumors going around that AMC Entertainment is going to get bought out. I don't know any extent of how true those rumors actually are, but the company could be subject to a buyout by like Netflix or even like a smaller time firm who's trying to kind of get into the entertainment industry altogether. Do I think the classic movie theater is ever going to go away? No, I don't. Maybe in the next 20 to 30, maybe even 50 years. But as of now, people going to the movies, people love going to the movies. It's a very good experience. It's a long-lasting experience as well. Yes, you could always wait for the movie to come out on Netflix and stuff like that, but really just going in with your friends or your family or your significant other really does drive the business model altogether. And I think a lot of people out there do love that overall business idea. Now, diving in, let's talk more about the stock. Where do I think the stock price is headed? And is AMC Entertainment still at a potential chance of another massive short squeeze? Obviously, these stocks still do hold a lot of flow percentages, so a lot of people did not really cover their shorts just yet on these stocks. So the stock altogether does have a potential chance of hitting another massive short squeeze, and I could see the stock going back to $10, $15, $20. Right before the stock crash, the AMC Entertainment was trading around $20. So now that they've actually unrestricted people from buying the stocks in themselves, I'm definitely going to expect a lot more volume going into these stocks over the next trading week. And like I said, people definitely are going to start flocking towards these stocks. I know a lot of people out there are holding positions in AMC Entertainment on the overall bullish aspect and on the fact that, there still is a huge potential chance that the stock could move upward. and there's still a chance to actually drive the short squeeze out of this stock. So a lot of people are kind of waiting on that altogether. I could see AMC Entertainment revisiting the $10, $15, even $20 mark altogether. It's definitely not unlikely, and especially with how volatile the markets have been, you know, all the new users that are flooding into these stocks because they want to make money definitely is going to drive the price upward. But as you guys can see in the last trading session, aside from the huge spike in the morning and a little bit of a decrease, the stock kind of traded sideways along with the rest of the stocks that have kind of been in the short squeeze moment. I think a lot of people also exited their positions out of the stock, cut their losses, and that's why the volume kind of subsided just a little bit. And like I said, the volume was also not there because it was only Friday that the restrictions actually got lifted. So a lot of people weren't really flocking in to buy these stocks, but I'm pretty sure, you know, with the power of Wall Street Bets and all the other Reddit users out there, I'm not going to be surprised if they can actually drive the stock upward again at their own whim like they did the first time as well. So really going in, diving in a little bit deeper, looking at the overall price prediction for AMC Entertainment. On Monday, I do think the stock is going to go up. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice at all. It's just my personal opinion, but seeing that now you can buy an unlimited amount of shares, there's no restrictions whatsoever. People can buy as much shares as they want. You know, there's going to be a lot of people flooding back into these stocks and the potential chance to actually squeeze out the shorts and actually make the stock massive rally upward. It's definitely not going to be a shocking thing. Like if I see it happen again, you know, I'm definitely not going to be surprised, because what people did is when these stocks were higher, you know, when people were saying about $20, $25, people started new short positions, right? So that means the short flow percentage did not really change all that much because people were thinking, okay, these stocks are never going to revisit these prices again. Let me start a new short position, which in turn created a bunch of new shorts for the stocks, which could potentially cause another massive short squeeze. So I do think that AMC Entertainment is going to be going up in the following weeks. Like I said, just my personal opinion, but I would not be surprised to actually see that happen at all. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. Do you think AMC Entertainment is going to hit another massive short squeeze?